Hey, it's getting cold up here. It's time to winterize the jet skis. Going to take you through the process of how I do it. This is a 2009 GTX 155. All right, first step is to get the seat bridge out of the way. First, pinch your tab on your coolant tank. Take that out. Put that off to the side. I got 4 10mm bolts. Take them out. Bridge out of the way. All right, next you want to lubricate the throttle body. This one has a quick lubrication port. You want to hold your throttle open. You want to spray this fire oil in there for a few seconds. Should be good. And there you go, lubricated the throttle body. You want to spray the outside of the throttle body. Next is, let's get this cover out of the way. Just pulls right up, that out of the way. That'll give you access to your injectors and your coils. Alright, next we're going to lubricate the engine. You can do this one of two ways. You can take out the 2 bolts here with the fuel injectors, lift that out and spray through fuel injector holes. Or the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to remove all these coils, take the plugs out, and spray directly into the engine. So let's get on that.
A few moments later.
Alright, all the coils and plugs are out. Now you want to take your fogging spray. Spray a few seconds in each cylinder. Now you want to hold your throttle down. I like to cover the holes. You want to hold your throttle down all the way, put it in drown mode, so they call it, and you want to give it a crank for a little bit. Now to lubricate those cylinders. Alright, next step is to take the plugs. I like to put them in here to get them started. Put a dab in. I see some there, you don't need a whole lot. Put the dab. Now let's get all those back in. Put the coils back on. Now you got your spark plugs and your coils all in. I want to take a little bit of rust corrosion preventative. I want to spray down all the metal parts in here. Just give them a light coat. Then you want to get your battery out. Put your engine cover back on. Put your seat bridge back in. And that should take care of this for the winter. Be in good shape when you open it up in the spring. So let's do that. Okay, so that's a wrap. I'm going to take these now to the gas station, fill them up with fuel, put the fuel stabilizer in there. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content on this channel, please subscribe. And if there's anything I missed doing this service, please comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.